Stop trying to piece together multi-million dollar businesses with random, outdated YouTube clips. You know that e-commerce and all their policies move so quickly, so you want training and courses that are up to date. And that's where Helium 10 comes in. So Helium 10 is an awesome tool for Amazon sellers. They've been expanding to other platforms as well, but they started on Amazon. And it is pretty phenomenal what they offer. Once you can get an actual subscription, you get access to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 courses, right? And these courses are legit. Now, just by using these tools, going through the base of the course, you can learn how to find products extremely quickly on Amazon. And these are unique products like ice gloves for arthritis hands, making $15,000 a month. Airbrush items, $26,000 a month. And these are brand new products that are extremely niche that I found in seconds after just taking a little bit of the training. So of course you can go on YouTube, you can try to figure this out yourself. But the issue with YouTube is a lot of the videos are outdated. So a video that I did 2 years ago is completely outdated because Amazon keeps changing their policies, their platforms, how it looks so quickly, where everything gets outdated within probably 4 months, right? So one of the biggest things when we're looking at the courses, and this is the first one that you have access to, all you do is go to Helium 10, and there is a link in the description to sign up and get a discount. But we're going to talk about the Freedom Ticket one right here. And it gives you an introduction to Amazon, business setup and branding, product research and sourcing, financial fundamentals, optimization. It gives you almost everything, including TikTok training. And the reason why it gives you TikTok training is because if you just post some of your products on TikTok, usually the customers don't buy on TikTok. They go back to Amazon. Amazon rewards you, and it's an easy way to get huge spikes in sales for almost free. Now, a lot of these courses, this is Kevin right here, and he is one of the best, Kevin King. He sells courses for over $1,000, has meetings with multi-million dollar Amazon sellers in Iceland, and he invites people out there. So he is the OG. He knows what he's doing. So these courses are done by pros. They're not done by just random people. Kevin King knows what he's doing. So Helium 10 definitely paid him a pretty penny to make these videos for sure. So you're definitely going to be getting something that's very, very good. And you can see my courses, exit ticket course. So this is huge as well. And they recently updated this where once you create a successful Amazon business, the goal is not to just stay in it forever. It's to sell it. And we've helped an Amazon seller and client of ours sell their business for multi-million dollars and get royalties on top of it. It just sounds too good to be true. But yes, it is possible. And you can see the pros coming in and talking about know your numbers and value, how to actually sell your business. Now, these guys have done it before plenty of times, and it goes through this step by step, which is super important if you want to kind of take a time to relax, spend time with your family and kids. If you get a big check and royalties, that's pretty huge, right? Because you're putting in a lot of work as an Amazon seller. They also have Ads Academy, which is, again, why Amazon advertising matters. Keyword research, campaign structure, software, bid optimization, negative targeting, advanced advertising strategies. Very nice on this. And then the exit ticket, of course. Let's see what else they have. They have different articles and webinars. They do have a lot of lives too. So once you sign up for Helium 10, they'll email you and they'll say they're going to have a live. And in the lives, you can usually ask a question. So right now you can see ask a question down here, but you can ask questions on the live stream and get real results, which is very, very nice. And of course, the Helium 10 Academy. So they've got so much here if we wanted to sign up, but very, very nice that Helium 10 offers all of this and took time. And these have been recently updated which is huge for Amazon sellers. And it looks like they're updating them on a regular basis because it was 1.0, 2.0, 3.0, 4.0. They may be updating it every 6 to 12 months, I believe, which is still extremely solid with how much value that they're giving. And now they're doing courses for TikTok training as well, which is unheard of. Almost nobody has TikTok training. So a lot of different things. I just wanted to go through the courses, and the tools are extremely powerful as well. They've got one of the largest amount of tools. It is a little difficult to use. So if you are a beginner, Helium 10 is a great place to start and understand, but I do recommend Jungle Scout if you want something that's super easy and just like Instagram. And then number 2 is if you want something advanced and a little bit more difficult to use, but has a lot more features, that's going to be Helium 10. But Helium 10 really shines because of their courses. They teach you everything on Amazon, everything you need to know. And then they also teach you about their software. So if you do have extra time, that's where you want to start. But again, if you need any help with this, we are Amazon consultants. So you can just go to ehpconsultinggroup.com, and there's a link right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. We are Amazon consultants. We help you sell on Amazon. We help you manage your account. We utilize all these tools, Jungle Scout, Helium 10, you name it. We utilize it to help you succeed on Amazon. So feel free to contact us. Try out Helium 10. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.